children of racial minorities that still exist on status quo mean these children don't have supervision for their parent because already died or something else like that. That there is no protection for their parent at all. We think the moment these children don't have the supervision, it's so problematic. Why so? Because the moment these children got the discrimination, oh, you don't have the parents, oh, you come from the racial minorities and they got the label of discrimination. We think that it will make the children wrong with their mental health and make the children afraid to get a stigmatization from the majority people, or even children doing suicide just because the discrimination cases that exist in status quo. That's why our stand is so clear that we would prefer that children of racial minorities be adopted by the parent of the race in order to protect the children and increase the supervision to children minorities at the very first place. Our model is simple. First, we would like to allow that children of racial minorities be adopted by the parent of the race. Second, we would like to make an agreement with the parent minorities to give supervision, for example, or become support system for the children and not give any kind of the violence for themselves, that they should protect the children at all. Now, let's begin in my substantive. Now, to take in my speech, first, what happened with the children of racial minorities and why we should adopt it by the parents of that same race, and second of all, why is the children of racial minorities will get a check and balance sooner or later. Now, let's begin in my first substantive. What happens with children of racial minorities? First, member of the house, we do believe the children, there is a children who from the orphan people, right? What does it mean? It means that they don't have the parents to get a supervision or protection from the parents also, whether the parent die, for example, or something else. That's the time the children less of the attachment, or less of the protection, less of the supervision, or so on and so forth. Meanwhile, looking on how the children has the interest to get the attachment for the parent, they want to get the supervision from the parent, they want to get the protection for the parent, right? Second of all, we do believe the children of the racial minority often get the discrimination from the majority, whether discrimination because they don't have the parents or comes from minority. We think that it's so urgent, right? Why so? Because on how the discrimination is really harm in status quo, that they break up the mental health, for example, or so on and so forth, that their race is underestimated for the other race, for example. We think that it's so hard. Therefore, we do believe that the children of racial minorities, that they don't have anyone to deliver their feelings because simply they are in minority people, even worse, give aspiration to what government first, for example. We think that this discrimination itself still exists and cannot be disappear at all. We do believe the third point that happened in status quo, that with the children in itself, is really harm for the children and big the possibility they got a mental problem, for example, with this thing, that doing suicide, for example, we don't want for that happen. Therefore, we need adopted this children by parent of the racial minority at the very first place. Why should adopted by the parents of the race? First, we think that it is accessible for the parents to manage their children agenda. Why so? Simply because they have a same rights, for example, with this kind of the parents or even children also. We think the accessibility is important for the parent. Why so? Because the accessibility make it easy for the parent, for example, and children agenda to do their agenda to begin with, right? That's the time we think that accessibility is important and exclusive for the parents of the race at all. Second of all, the women opposition claim that children are adopted from the minority also, that they got a discrimination, will worsening condition, and going to be useless or so on so far. We don't think so. Why so? Because with this parent of the race, they can become support system, right? Why is that support system is important? Simply because make their feeling peaceful, for example, because they have aspiration, give more deliver, for example, their feelings toward their parents, toward their children, for example. We think that the feedback in itself is going to be peaceful for the feeling at the very first place. Even if is that true, that discrimination is there or so on so far, we think that we cannot deny the fact that discrimination is disappear at all. At least under our of the house, they got the supervision and protection. Why so? Because we was to make an agreement with their parent to give a more supervision and protection, right? And exactly they still got the prosperity, that they still have the moment they get the discrimination, for example, they still have report to local area, for example, is discrimination there. Even they come from the racial minorities too. Therefore, is that okay for us even to same race, for example, to advocate this kind of the children at the very first place? Therefore, it's make the completing supervision and protection at the children at all. Why so? Because same alike from the minority backgrounds, that the children can simply deliver their feelings with the parents at the very first place. Understanding that, we think that we should adopt it by the parents of that race with same race, for example, with the children at the very first place. Now, moving on my second substantive, why is the children of racial minorities will get a check and balance sooner or later. Look, what happened in the rest of the house. The moment they are used this proposal, like all of race, for example, can adopt the racial minorities, there will be two things. First, we think that it is not accessible and not in line with the last children agenda, with their new parents agenda. Why so? Simply because they have not same race to do their agenda at the very first place. Why is that harm? We think that different agenda exactly make these children hard to understand with the new race agenda, that they get the oppressed, for example, with this kind of agenda at the very first place, with this new agenda for the parent, right? Means the accessibility will no longer exist in the rest of the house simply because they have not same race at the very first place. It is the first reason that the check and balance in the sub is never happen in the rest of the house. Second reason is the supervision and protection is no longer exist in the rest of the house. Why is that true? First, the moment the other race are adopted big parents by the parents, for example, that not in line with that race and not in line with the race, indirectly they will stay, for example, on their majority people, on the majority area, will think that this thing will get oppressed also. Why so? Simply because the big possibility got the discrimination because of you in majority area, right? What does it mean? It means you still got the discrimination also. Then when you go to school, for example, whether your friend, for example, getting the discrimination, oh, you are from the minority people, oh, you are the children adoption, for example, or so on and so forth. Understand that, we think that the possibility to get discrimination and also stigmatization is happen under their side of the house. Second of all, even if they have parents to give supervision, we think that the supervision of the parent is not fully because simply of on how the parent is busy to work, for example, of the parents come from the majority. We think that it's so hard for the children in itself to get this, ladies and gentlemen. Understanding that, therefore, the check and balance is no longer exist in the side of the house. Let's comparatively under our side of the house. The one under our side proposal prefer the children of racial minorities are adopted by the parents of the race. There will be three things. First, we think that it makes a strong people of racial discrimination. Why so? Because they was get the discrimination, but they can apply in their side of the house, in our side of the house, to how to respond the discrimination, ladies and gentlemen. Why is that true? Number one, the moment they got discrimination, the family or of the minority can doing a discuss, for example, how to respond with this kind of discrimination. Exactly, there will be get used to it, ladies and gentlemen. Second of all, the moment they was get used to it, exactly they can speak up, for example, about how the current status quo about discrimination, about the still exist in status quo. Exactly, the other people will appreciate the minority people at the very first place. Even if they was got discrimination, at least the children can deliver their feelings toward the parents. At least the support system is exists under outside the house. Second of all, within the racial minorities will feel comfort because they can feel attachment, and attachment for the parent in itself, right? Why is that true? Because simply they comes from the same minority. Why is that attachment is important? Because looking on how the children was not get attachment in a longer time, for example, because less of the parent. That's exactly, they find attachment first. The moment they find attachment for the new parent, it is exclusive under outside the house. Therefore, we think the parents of that race will doing more supervision, for example, toward the children, because simply they have made an agreement first. For example, the moment they adopted this kind of the children at the very first place. Understand that, we think that check and balance, for example, with this kind of the parents or each children is long is happen under outside of the house. We proceed to propose.